All right. Hello, my fellow investor, City Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, we're going to be doing an extension video from Monday's video on Cherry Hill mortgage investment. But before we start that video, guys, use any of the links in the description down below to sign up with either Acorns, Robinhood, or Fundrise. If you guys do that, then you're going to be entered to win a free stock, and that stock will be BlackRock. So BlackRock is honestly a huge blue chip company, one of the top companies out there, and it's worth $860 at the moment. So if you guys win, you're going to win a free chance to get this stock by signing up with any of the links down in the description below. So yeah, also once we hit 6,000 subscribers, guys, we're going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. So yes, I'll be giving away an Apple stock once we hit 6,000 subscribers to one lucky winner. And I'm constantly going to be doing that every time we hit the 1,000 mark. So once we hit 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, I'm going to keep doing stock giveaways. That's just a way for me to give back to this community. As you see, Apple had good earnings calls. Again, they broke records on their quarter earnings, but we're not going to get into that in this video. So let's start, guys. Cherry Hill mortgage investment. So if you check that video before, we were talking about how we actually do a dividend capture and how we swing trade this stock. So looking at this, like we predicted as well, I'm like, by any means, like I say, I don't give you financial advice here. If you want financial advice, then you can actually hire me because I am a financial advisor. So you can hire me personally if you guys want to actually make more money from this. But again, that costs money. This is free. So I'm giving you my thoughts and opinions here, and I'm telling you kind of what I do. So let's jump into it. So on Monday, we checked out this progress here, and it was at $9. It was around right here, $9. And we knew because they had the dividend payment on the 27th, then this stock was going to end up going up, and it ended up going up. So as you see, this past week, it's been up about 79 cents. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but at this price, when you buy multiple shares and when you're doing a dividend capture, then this is how it goes. So what we do here to kind of quickly explain, I'm going to go back a bit. The stock does pretty well. And then once the ex-dividend date gets announced and it happens, then the stock usually tends to come down. So so this is how you capture a dividend, right? Let's say the ex-dividend date is like March 30th, right? So once you own it at March 30th, you do the ex-dividend date, which means you're going to get paid that dividend. On the 31st, you can sell out of it and you'll still get that dividend. So this is the whole point that we're talking about here. We buy on that date, we capture the dividend, sell out. So we're going to get paid that dividend. And once that dividend is about to be paid off, the stock usually goes up. Why? Because people do drip, right? It's called, it's dividend reinvestment. So that stock is at a certain price. And because everybody's reinvesting their dividends, the stock price is going up. So we buy in its low point. Once we sell and capture the dividend, the stock usually tends to come down. It doesn't happen with every stock, but this one has been working out for me pretty well. So the stock comes down after the ex-dividend date. I purchase at its low point, okay? And then once, it starts riding back up slowly, and then once that dividend is paid, the company goes up, like as you see here, and then I sell out of it, okay? So I kind of make money like that. I only make about, like, let's say it was about 79 cents, right? But 79 cents at $9 a piece, if you buy 1,000 shares, 70 cents becomes $700 on a quick swing trade, right? In a week. And, then you get that dividend payment as well. They pay 27 cents a share. So if you buy, let's say 1,000 shares, then you get $270, right? So that's the things you guys kind of have to pay attention to. You can make trades like this. Now, they are risky. That's one thing you have to understand. They're pretty risky. But for me, like I say, I do it in a stock like this because I've been doing this in this stock for a good little while. I mean, I'm just trying to show you a method that has worked for me. It might work for you. But again, do your own research before you jump into any of these methods. Like I said, I used to be a financial advisor, and I used to do things like this all the time. I have many trading strategies that I use out there. And there's some that I'm just not going to talk about because then the method won't work. So this is one that I feel like I can actually talk about. And people that are watching, my videos, sorry. Sorry. then they can probably use this method. So, I mean, check it out if you guys want to. Cherry Hill Mortgage Investment is a pretty decent company. And I mean, long term, I don't know if it's a good long term. Maybe it can be, but again, they do pay an 11 percent dividend yield. So I mean, I like that as well. It's pretty high for this share price, and again, it's just something to look at. So if you need any help, just comment down below and ask me a personal question. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram or something like that, I'll feel free to have a conversation with you and help you guys out a bit. But again, check out those links down below. If you guys sign up, you're gonna get a chance to actually win BlackRock. That is, like I said, an $816 stock. I'll be doing that at the end of May. So the drawing or the this thing is gonna end at the end of April, and then everything after April is not going to be part of this in May. So there's only a few days left. And the drawing is the end of May. And the reason I'm doing that is so people can actually stay in the platform. You know, some people say they get into the platform, but they don't, and they don't download it. So, you know, that's just a way for me to actually do some of the research and check it. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.